Welcome again in this video. In this video I am going to show you Babylon airdrop, that is totally viral airdrop, and $96 million fund they have still. Okay, so it's potential airdrop, maybe something would be happened, so just do participate, do it, and just do it. Okay, and nothing else, nothing cost you except getting faucet and doing something. Okay, everybody can do something. Okay, and everybody is scared about money spending, so here is no money spending you need to do, so totally free. And what you need to do is just getting faucet, and after getting faucet, go to the website and connect your wallet, select validator in order to stacking. Okay, I will show you in visually in this video after a while. Okay, complete Glax task that I provided, all sort of thing, and complete capitalization, connect to Twitter. String is now available for you to go to farm. Okay, sorry, miss understanding here. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, after complete the Glex task, you have done all sort of thing and nothing you need to do. Okay, go to the faucet page. So in order to getting faucet page, click on here, and that faucet link will bring you inside of here. So what you need to do first, getting faucet, you need to go, you need to get a what is that, what is that, your wallet address. So what is your wallet address would be, you need to have OKX wallet. If you don't know how to install extensions of OKX, feel free to watch others YouTube video that how to add OKX wallet. Okay, here is maybe you already know OKX wallet. What is OKX wallet is this, on the search on your Chrome, search on your Chrome extension browser, Kiwi, or Mises, written by OKX extension, and add extension inside of your Chrome, and do create an account. And here is what we need to do after getting that. So click on the go to the website page in order to connect your wallet. So here, and that link will bring you inside of here. Okay, so here is I've already connected my wallet, OKX wallet, because I have OKX wallet. So I'm going to my OKX wallet in order to change my network, because I'm in a wrong network now, and it will not be work if I am in a wrong network. So what you need to click on this arrow button. I'm showing again to you visually. Click on this button, because it's different than MetaMask, but it's slightly similar. Okay, so what you need to do, it add custom network, click on there, and here is you need to search. Okay, sorry, I'm in wrong. Okay, so click on again here and search here. Okay, going to popular, search here, BTC signet. Okay, and what you need to do is now click this add button, and here is click this plus button. Okay, BTC signet we need to add, so I'm add it. And now what you need to do is change your network. Okay, click on this button in order to change your network. So native segwit, click on here, and yeah, now copy your network in order to getting faucet. Okay, so copy it, this is address, copy. Now go to the faucet page. Okay, I already provided faucet link to faucet link inside of my Telegram. You can do that your way. Okay, so paste your link here, sorry, not link, your address, and how much you want, put in here. So basically here is maybe 0.0, this little bit enough for doing all sort of thing. So that is B3 do capture, fill up, and click the send button. Invalid amount, it doesn't make sense to me. Okay, for 0.000 0.0004. So now click on this send button. Okay, enter address and amount 0.0 on 0.0 on. Okay, captcha here is JSB. So it is doing problem capture. I don't know. So after submitting the capture, so what they said, in technique way, that wait, W8 mean wait, and 30s mean 30 second, plus B and 4 before submitting. Okay, just wait nearly 30 second, and after do submit, it will be immediately done. Okay, nothing complicated here. Everything is straightforward. Okay, I'm doing, wait slightly, nearly 40 second. So just let me wait. So I'm just counting on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So now I'm going to submit. Let me see what happened. Same, it is not working. I don't know. Capture record reload page. Okay, I'm reloading this page, and after I'm trying again. Okay, if it is not work, it has another option. You can use that. So if you noticed that after I reload this page and I put my capture and wait 30 seconds, and I click on the send button, and it is processing. If you noticed that it is processing. Okay, so wait here, let me see what happened. You know so maybe it will take a little bit time, but until it is get in my wallet, we need to do wait, because we will do stack this token inside of the Babylon website, and therefore we need to wait here, because without this process we cannot join properly. So another way you can do this has another link. I already put two link of a faucet page, and I'm in now number one faucet page, and you can use number two. Okay, so whatever that is, but you need to get it. Okay, so it is in processing. Let me see what happened. It is processing. Maybe it will very soon go get into my wallet. Okay, so um, okay, it is worked. It will do. It's okay. We need to wait until it works. So if you want to do second number faucet, just copy this link and go to any website that you want to go. So here is still it is okay. Enter address and amount. Okay, so if it is not work, just paste your another link and go through that link, and it will be opened. And what you need to do, just paste your address here. Okay, it is not it is not as much complex as you think. It is not. Press enter, wait a block. Yeah, whatever. Maybe I need to turn off my VPN, I don't know, but let me see now. So I paste. Okay, sorry, let me okay, I paste my faucet link here. Sorry. um, so I don't know what happened here, but let me see the let me check our OKX wallet. Is that either come in or not? Just let me see. So maybe it is calm. Okay, whatever happened, let me see. Okay, my VPN need to be on because in my country it is not available to use. Without VPN I cannot use it. Okay, so I'm on like VPN, so it will be work now. Okay, so pretty much, okay, I'm doing refresh again it, and now yeah, it will be opened. So straightforward, easy to do, nothing complicated. Let's say hypothetically you get this faucet. So what you need to do after getting faucet, go to their main page here, Babylon chain, and connect your wallet and select a validator to stacking. Okay, so here is first of what you need to do is connect wallet, and your OKX wallet should to be connect. First click on this here and connect to PTC Signet network. Okay, so click on this connect and it's already connected. Now here is your Signet BTC I have. So this is testing tab. This app may be contain bugs. Yeah, we already know. Stacking window is closed. Stacking temporarily disables due to stacking window being closed. Please check your stacking history to see if your stack is stacked. Overflow stack should be unbolded and withdrawn. So anyhow, it has been maybe couple of days stopped, but very soon it will be opened. Okay, check out after opened it. You can apply these videos philosophy. These videos worked into that work. Okay, so after doing that, what you need to do has inside of the Telegram Glax task. Okay, so click on that Glax task, and that task will bring you inside of the Glax. So inside of the Glax, so what you need to do, I'm just showing you sample. Here is three type of Glax task has of Babylon airdrop. So I'm showing you okay, I'm showing you it is loading, and very soon it will be open. I'm hoping, I'm expecting it. And yeah, first you need to log in with your MetaMask, and here is what you need to do is complete each of these tasks. Okay, first testnet for stack, you need to do stack. After stacking, you can complete first task, especially this on. I'm showing you especially this on. So after doing that survey, amplify our voice, and your if you click on here, so go to Twitter, comment, like retweet, and submit your link into here. So if you click on this start button, so first you need to log in. Okay, I mean logged out of Glax. So anyhow, after doing that, maybe you're done hypothetically, and click this survey feedback, and here is go to their forum or Discord in order to knowing them that this website is how you expecting, how you feeling to use their website. And that's it. So here is, if you notice that 3 Glaxes they has, so you are in 3 numbers, so go to the number 1, and here is you will see their task. So here is you complete this task as well, and go to the number 2nd and complete this additional task again. That is simple, like number 3rd task, and you will be better, and you will be ahead of a lot of people, because if you do this task, you will maybe be eligible of this airdrop. Okay, so this is the target. See you later in the next time. Until then, happy hunting.